प्रयागराज चैनल पर आप सभी का एक बार पुनः बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। यहाँ पर एक पैसेज पटना हाई कोर्ट का जो एग्ज़ाम कंडक्ट होने वाला है उसी का आधार पर डिक्टेट करेंगे हम, और पैसेज बेहद ही इम्पॉर्टेंट है। आप एक बार में ना लिख पाएँ दोबारा प्रयास करेगा, तिबारा प्रयास करेगा, लेकिन लिखिएगा ज़रूर, और अगर हो सके तो लिख करके टाइप भी करिएगा। ओके, तो डिक्टेशन की स्पीड जो होगी वो 100 और 110 के आसपास की होगी। ठीक है, 100 और 110 के बीच की होगी, तो प्रयास करें लिखने का। ओके, स्टार्ट करते हैं, और जो कुछ लिखा है एक बार ध्यानपूर्वक पढ़ेंगे, उसके बाद डिक्टेशन स्टार्ट करते हैं हम। ओके, नाउ बी रेडी। 5 सेकेंड, स्टार्ट। Drone technology is rapidly growing in popularity and has broken down hard traditional barriers across industries. Over the years, drones have become central to the functioning of various businesses and government organizations. From scanning an inaccessible location or military base to monitoring an area or multiple areas, drones are proving to be extremely beneficial. Unmanned aircraft are known as drones. It is a small, remotely operated aircraft. In the true sense, it is a robot that can fly. The Hindi meaning of drone is a male bee, and it has got this name because of its flying. It flies like a bee and can hover even while remaining stationary in one place. Drones are generally used in accessible places where humans cannot easily reach. Drones are unmanned aerial vehicles, under bracket UAVs, or remotely piloted aerial systems, under bracket RPAS, that are controlled either by a pilot on the ground or with the help of technology. This radio focused toy can be as small as a helicopter or as big as a global falcon. Drones are playing a vital role in the fight against the coronavirus pandemic by supporting activities carried out by police, healthcare, and municipal authorities in monitoring and enforcing lockdowns, surveying and mapping, spraying disinfectants, etc. The concept of drones can be dated back to 1849 when Austria attacked Venice using an unmanned balloon filled with explosives. Later, in 1916, Great Britain developed the first pilotless winged aircraft, the Ruston Proctor Aerial Target. In 1935, the British developed the Queen Bee, a radio controlled target drone. Although created for military purposes, drones have seen rapid development and progress. Today, this drone technology has evolved into various forms and is widely used in defense, commercial, aerial, surveillance, journalism, crowd management, e commerce, and search and rescue operations. Criminals and extremists can commit major crimes through drones, such as dropping explosives in a safe area, transporting illegal goods inside the prison, attacking with biological weapons, etc. If the drone is found by anti-social elements, then it can not only spy through it but can also attack if needed. A drone is a machine which it can be easily hacked like other machines. A hacker can attack its control system and damage it as well as get confidential information. The International Air Transport Association has recognized drones as a threat to airspace and called for wider consultations to ensure their associated safety. Although many countries are working individually oblique jointly to develop an advanced drone industry, currently the United States, Israel, and China are the market leaders. In the agriculture sector, today, farmers in different countries of the world are monitoring crops and spraying medicines through drones. Thus, it can be said that the use of drones is also being revolutionized in the field of agriculture. Drone technology is typically used in situations where manned flight is considered too risky or difficult. A typical unmanned aircraft is made of a lightweight composite material to reduce weight and increase its maneuverability. The strength of this composite material allows military drones to cruise at extreme altitudes and thus proves to be very beneficial in the defense system of the country. In the home delivery of goods, currently companies like Google and Amazon are preparing to be home delivery of goods by drone. Amazon has also filed a patent for the deployment of drones in India. Drone technology is also being used in the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan to make the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan a success. Drones are being used to monitor open defecation near rivers and ponds in Telangana's Karimnagar. Drones are being used for relief and rescue during floods, earthquakes, etc. The pictures of the devastating earthquake that hit Nepal in April 2015 were taken by drone. Full stop. हो सकता है पहली बार में आपको लिखने में समस्या हुई हो और प्रयास करिए कि इसको पहली बार नहीं दूसरी बार भी लिखिए, तीसरी बार भी लिखिए, लेकिन पैसेज बेहद ही इंपॉर्टेंट है और पैसेज की स्पीड 100 और 110 के बीच की रही है। अगर दूसरी बार तीसरी बार भी लिख रहे हैं, 5 बार भी 10 बार भी लिख रहे हैं तो कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, लिखना ज़रूरी है सही।